Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text behind person effect in Capcut. So the first step, you simply need to click on new project and import a clip. So I import a clip. Here you need to click on text, click on add text, and here I'm going to add the text that is run fast. Okay, if you want, you can make it a slightly bigger like this one. Okay, and you need to simply hit OK, and now it is created. Hit this and make sure that its length is according to the video. Now it is perfect. So now you simply need to export that video. Wait for a few seconds so that a video will be exported. Click on done, click on new project, and now you need to select that clip. Click on add, and in the bottom you need to click on overlay. Click on add overlay. Select a video clip without any text. Click on add. Make sure that text video is on top and this video is in the bottom. And then you need to select that video. And in the bottom you can see different options. You simply need to click on remove PG. Click on auto removal. And then you simply need to click on the tick mark. And now you can see the final result. Text is behind the person. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.